Hey guys, Dave here, and welcome to the Adam Audio A3X Studio Monitor review. You may be wondering why I moved from an 8-inch speaker to a 4.5-inch speaker. Yamahas are the best, right? Well, I thought so too, but let me explain. I have been using the Yamaha HS8s for the past 3 years for audio production, and they are great speakers, don't get me wrong. However, I had two issues. The first issue, after a few hours of mixing, I got ear fatigue, which was quite substantial, and it does affect the enjoyment of creating and mixing music. The second issue I moved into a smaller studio, and the HS8s were just too big for the small space, especially in a bedroom type setup where the room may not be sound treated that well. And this is where the Adam Audio's A3Xs come in. It's important when it comes to audio to match your speakers to the room you are in. And in my situation, the A3Xs were the perfect choice. These speakers blew me away. The frequency range of these speakers go as low as 60 Hz right up to 50 kHz. So I have this paired with a PreSonus 10-inch sub for low end. Adams do offer a 7-inch version that pair perfectly with these speakers. However, I thought I'd try it out with the sub I already had, and I was able to tune this perfectly. These speakers are serious business. They may look like bookshelf speakers, but that should not put you off. Take a listen to the sound samples I prepared for you. How crazy is that sound? I know it's not perfect, but it's the best I could do recording into NT1 mic. Now on the back of each speaker, you will find RCA and analog XLR inputs, along with a tweeter gain dial. These speakers are also front ported, which is great for bass control, especially if you are having these set up close to a wall. And with the knobs at the front and the power switch, it makes it super easy to dial it right in. These pack a good punch. If you like listening to music loud, these can do it while maintaining clarity. If you're in the market for some studio monitors, for a small studio, you cannot go wrong with these. All applicable links below where you can pick these up. And if you'd like to be notified with new videos, please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Helps me out a lot. Until next time, peace.